What's up, everybody? This is Joe. Okay, this is going to be a basic course on the basics of AI. That's all we're going to learn. And these prompts, how to write the prompts and all, we use on just about any of the AI systems: ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, um, Google's Gemini, Claude AI, a lot of those. This is just going to give you the basics of it, and we'll run down from there. AI is a tool. The instructions you give it is powerful, but it must be used wisely. Because a lot of this, AI can be used wrong. If you use it the wrong way, it can give you the wrong information, not even what you're looking for. What we're going to be using here today, I'm going to be using Microsoft's Copilot. We're going to be using it to show some of the basics. I've kind of decided to use and kind of like Microsoft's Copilot. It's actually a good AI. It uses the GPT-5 large language model for what it does. And for being free for what it does, for your use and all, it does work good. Copilot is actually a good one. Holy smokes, I've never had this many viewers at once on here. Well, I'd just like to say welcome to everybody. So, as you can see here on the screen, here on there, there's a little bit about me and what I do. There are some of my certifications right there through Google. I am certified in cybersecurity, IT, business intelligence. I have a background in law, and I am a prompt engineer in law and legal. I do a lot of my work there. Yes, I am a certified ethical hacker. I do that because of my cybersecurity. I have to learn how to do all that with those tools and everything else there, how to actually do what the hackers do to protect people. So there will be another session on the cybersecurity seminar. It's going to be a 5+ video series on how to protect yourself and everything. That will be coming soon, hopefully within the next couple of days. So stay tuned for that. So we're going to get into some of the basics here. For that, I'm going to load up Copilot to kind of show you kind of a little bit of what it is, what it looks like. You can use Copilot on your phone, on Android and iOS. The app is available if you don't have a laptop or a computer to use. I use the app on both my desktop, laptop, and even on my phone when I'm in traveling. It does make it easier to use. So, what you're seeing is where it says Message Copilot here on the screen. Let me see if I can make this a little bigger. Where it says Message Copilot. That is where you put your prompts in, and how you type, and what you need. Here it says Smart GPT-5. You can change that from the Smart GPT-5 to quick response. They can think deeper. Use to study and learn, make quizzes, guided learning, and more. I like to use it on the think deeper. Kind of gives me a little bit more to do. So, A prompt is basically the instructions to the AI system. It's your instructions. Think of it as like guidance. What? What the heck? Looks like somebody already trying to take me down on this. Huh. Well. Can't believe somebody would do that already. Not doing anything wrong. Alright. Like I said here before, the prompt is the instructions to the artificial intelligence. Huma, welcome back in, brother. So, the clearer the words, the clearer the response when you put it in for the message. The formula I gave here in the chat just a little bit ago, the action plus topic plus details, it's actually what I use to help me write and get responses from the AI. I'm going to give it a quick example here in it. And we're going to write, I'll put in here, a short story. So, you're going to see this response right along with me, the live. This is just an example we're using. Oh, my internet today is not good. Sorry about these little hiccups, everybody. Now, as you can see, it's thinking. Now it says it's writing a short story. And it just wrote a little story about a bird that learns math. Right here. That's a very simple, quick prompt. Let's see, where am I at now? I mean, the prompts are easy. For the basics, it's what you need. People do write prompts as a job and all. I myself am an engineer. I do that myself sometimes, help people. Make sure when you do your prompts, keep them respectful, safe, and align with what you need. Don't use it for harmful or dishonest purposes. Please don't, because then we'll lose access to the AI. Now, here's what we're going to do. Let's see. I want the y'all in the chat. Give me a topic, just any topic at random. Food, cars, history. I'll turn it into a prompt right here live for us. It's y'all's choice. Y'all get to choose. I'll wait. I'll give y'all about a couple of minutes to come up with something. It's anything at random y'all want. and we'll put it in. Okay, well, that's a good one. Let's see. Now, to do this, I'm going to start a new chat. Clear out what we were just at. Like I said, I just put in information on starting a nonprofit in Uganda. And it just gave me a quick answer. This just kind of gives you a quick overview and things like that here. It even created a step-by-step checklist to get you started, to help you out. And it can even give you documents you need, timelines. There's your compliance and tax information, risks, challenges, and practical tips. It gives you the basics. Now, you can make these prompts a lot more challenging. You can do them in different styles. Say, let's do this. As you can see, I expanded out the prompt. Yes, when you download it on your phone, Microsoft Copilot, it will work for you. It's Android or iPhone. It will work on either one, and it's free. They have ChatGPT, which is free as well. They have an app for it. I like Copilot because I can really get into a lot more. So now, as you can see, is the prompt I just put in. It just went even. It just changed the whole entire everything for you. Kind of lays it out the basics. So let's see, where am I at now? I've got my talking points here, everybody, on my phone, so I can kind of keep tabs and all. This is the most people I've ever had here in the live. Like I said, the formula that I gave y'all earlier, the action plus topic plus details, is actually a really good formula to use. Gives you the basics. Let's see, I have another prompt I'm going to use. Let me go get it real quick. I've got it here somewhere. I just got to find where I put it. I wrote them out. Where did I put it now? That's one of my days. I know I have it here somewhere. Let me see. I know where I've got it. I got it here on my phone too. So, let me go pull it up. I'll have to retype it all out. Let's see. You know what? That is the correct Copilot to use. One from Microsoft Copilot. That's what I use for a lot. Okay. Now, I'm just going to give you all a quick example here. Something that I was going to write up. So, now, this is just a quick example. Oops. We're just going to use this as an example. It'll show you. And it gives you options even to use. Let's go back. Let's go here. It gives you some missions that you can use for mission statements. Like I said, I just created this. I had this one for vision and mission statements here before. So, it kind of gives you some outlines that you can go through. You can change these any prompts you want, the way you want, word them how you need. What you need. It even gives you some short taglines. Hello, everybody that's coming in. To those that know me, yes, Brother Muhammad, how you doing? So, and again, it tells you, it kind of breaks it down. It's a little bit more of an advanced example. So now it shows you can how to pick and adapt. Just choose the mission that best matches your primary program area. You can add a one-line specificity clause if needed. It breaks it down to actually how you need it and all here. And it walks you through step by step. You can actually take these steps and then you write them into your prompt to help combine them together and help work with it. And it even tells you the next steps. Even how it can now draft a one-page mission and vision document for you. It takes a lot of the guesswork out of some of what you do. Oops. Yes, Gemini here is the Google's AI, which is, you can get that from aistudio.google.com. I don't really care for it too much because of some of the way it does. Tariq, Brother Muhammad, welcome, 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 everybody. So, Brother Huma, I hope this is kind of giving you some good ideas and what to look like when you're using it. I know I sent you some prompts to use, and that's why I used one of the prompts here as an example to help you out here. You can actually program the AI to make it to do what you want, and write menus and all, or it'll answer you and everything. It makes it a little easier. That's a little bit more advanced. That's more where my level is, my background and my certifications come in. Is in those areas. I'm an actual engineer in writing these prompts. I do this for law programs, for law offices, also for myself with help my community with drafting documents that they may need. I use it to kind of go over and help redraft the documents, find errors, mistakes that even a lawyer can do. Even a lawyer can make it by writing it by hand. They can find something that they can't. Like I said, this is my background, everybody. This is what I do. I enjoy what I do. I enjoy teaching people and all this and what I do. If there's any of y'all, any more ideas, anything y'all would like to see, maybe I can work on the next level, an advanced course class here on TikTok for a little bit more advanced on the for the AI. I can get a lot more in depth and all on how to do this. And even you can even use the AI to help you. If you write your documents, things like that on here, you can have it write it as a lawyer, format it in legal style formats. It'll go in and format it for you. It's actually very simple. It's a tool to use to help you. And when you're done, go over to them, take it to someone and have them look it over and go through the next steps. I know, like I said, I use it to help me every day. I use my cybersecurity and my IT support and all to help me actually help others. I use artificial intelligence programs and software as my back ends to help find security loopholes, viruses, malware, even help scan email for scammers. Even use it for find viruses and everything else. There's so many possibilities to use with it. And I would like everybody, y'all can thank Brother, you can thank Human Religious here, charity organization. He asked me to help, for some help. So I figured, okay, well, I'll do this for him and help him out. And I'm glad to see all of y'all here. Glad to see all the likes. Glad for the share. Just glad to see y'all here. Like I said, y'all have topics or anything you'd like to see for the next time, for more AI stuff, just let me know. Send me a message. I'll gladly do what I can. I'll work up another little online here on TikTok. Just for you guys. Like I said, my next one's going to be a cybersecurity seminar that I'm going to be working on. It's going to be a cybersecurity awareness. It will be coming up. So the organization I work with is Faith Shield. I'm a cybersecurity and IT support specialist group. We're a nonprofit ourselves. I don't charge for any of my services or anything. All we ask for is donations later on down the road. We don't do much. Like I said, if y'all want to donate something here in TikTok, little thing, it doesn't matter. I don't care. I'm not doing this for the money or anything like that, for the donations or anything. I'm doing this to help y'all, everybody. Help y'all, teach y'all. And this is what, like I said, I enjoy doing this. I've been working with the computer industry since I was 9 years old. And I'm in my mid 40s now. And I've been doing this, working with electronics and all. I have a communications background. I have too much to explain when it comes to computers and electronics. It's just what I do. Like I said, I enjoy it. I've been doing this all my life. I started working, I have a background in Unix administration, mainframes, and all. I've done all that. It's just, over the years, I've given up, changed my areas. Now, I'm going to stay here with the cybersecurity, my IT support, and as I have a business intelligence certification, I have my law certifications. I'm not a licensed lawyer, so don't take anything like that as legal advice. Anything that you'll do, if you try to use it on the AI for anything like that, legal advice, don't think it and use it, say yes, that is it. No, it's not. The lawyers and all that use that as to help draft the documents, go through things that they need to help them out. So by all means, it's not a final permanent document to use. Have someone else go over it with you and everything else that knows what you need and things like that there. It gives you the basics, helps you get started. Like I said, I have my background in AI is I started when I was in high school. That was in the early 90s. Mid to late 90s. I started working with artificial intelligence systems then. Before it blew up to where it is now, I used to write my own software and all programs, teach it, try to get to where it's at now. I gave up because my high school teachers in high school said, no, you can't do that. You don't have enough knowledge and smarts to do that. Little do they know, yes, I do. Is that? I'm going to bring something up for y'all. Let's see. This is what my next is going to be on. cybersecurity and scam awareness. That's what my next live is going to be. I just lost my chat box. Okay. Well, that's odd. Where'd my chat go? Okay, there it is. Yes, brother. That is the correct log on what that you sent me. Yes. I noticed you had the Chat GPT as well. So yes, you can use both of them. Let's see. Oops, wrong way. I don't know what this thing's doing. Yep, like I said, brother, just you need help, you know I'm here to help you. You can pick my brain all you want. This is some of the information I'll be kind of doing while I'm going through my next seminar. Some of this information here. So those of y'all that are here, please, if y'all are interested in my next one, just let me know. And watch for my next live. So that was the one I needed. Okay. So, all right, everybody. I'll see y'all when I might hear my next live, which will be the cybersecurity seminar. Y'all have a good evening, afternoon, morning, wherever you're at. Y'all enjoy yourselves. Have fun. Spend time with your families. And please, like I said, send me a message if y'all have any ideas for the next one and next anything that you like. I'll gladly put together a little series video like this for anybody. As long as it's within my skill set, I will. This is Joe. I'll be saying goodbye. Those of y'all that know, some of y'all might know me on my TikTok, on my Twitch. I'm the Nerd Pit on Twitch, and I'm also the Nerd Pit on YouTube. I don't have much content there. I haven't been there as much. I will be doing more later on my YouTube and on my Twitch. YouTube will be my next. So, see you at the next live. Y'all enjoy yourselves. Bye, everyone.